Students are secretly using AI tools to ace their exams, finish assignments in minutes, and learn faster than ever before. And no, it's not just ChatGPT. In this video, you'll discover 10 powerful AI tools for studying that are changing how students around the world learn in 2025. From note-taking and summarizing to quiz-making and research automation. If you're in school, college, or just learning something new, this might be the biggest academic upgrade of your life. Let's be honest. Traditional studying is broken. You spend hours reading, taking notes, and rewriting the same information, only to forget it all a week later. But AI is flipping the script. Now you can learn smarter, not harder, with tools that summarize, explain, test, and organize everything for you automatically. So let's dive into the best AI tools for studying in 2025, each with a unique superpower that will make your learning 10x more efficient. Tool 1. Notion AI. First up, we've got Notion AI, your digital study assistant. Imagine dropping your messy lecture notes, PDFs, and screenshots into one workspace, and AI turns it all into clean summaries, to-do lists, and flashcards. Notion AI can even explain concepts like a teacher, generate quiz questions, and help you plan your exam schedule automatically. Pro tip: use the prompt. Summarize my biology notes and create 5 practice questions. You'll be shocked how fast it works. Tool 2. Perplexity AI. This one's a game changer. Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google on steroids, but with a brain. Unlike search engines, Perplexity doesn't just show results. It reads the internet for you and delivers sources, summaries, and explanations in seconds. Perfect for essays, research papers, and last-minute project prep. And because it cites its sources, it's actually safe to use for academic work. Tool 3. Quizlet AI. Next up, Quizlet AI Tutor. Remember flashcards? Now imagine them powered by AI. Quizlet uses machine learning to identify what you're struggling with and creates personalized quizzes to strengthen those weak spots. You can even upload your notes, and it turns them into study sets instantly. It's like having a personal tutor, but free. Tool 4. ChatGPT. Of course, we can't forget ChatGPT, the Swiss Army knife of studying. Use it to explain difficult concepts in simple language, create essay outlines, generate mock tests, or even role-play as your professor for Q&A sessions. Prompt idea: pretend you're my history professor. Ask me 10 questions about World War II and tell me which ones I got wrong. It's active learning, powered by AI. Tool 5. Grammarly and Writeful. For writing assignments, Grammarly and Writeful are lifesavers. They go beyond spelling checks, analyzing tone, clarity, and readability like a human editor. Writeful, in particular, is designed for academic writing. It helps you sound more professional and even checks if your sentences match scientific standards. Tool 6. Firefly's AI. If you attend online lectures or study groups, you'll love Firefly's AI. It automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes meetings or Zoom calls, so you can focus on listening instead of typing notes. You can even search keywords like exam tips or assignment deadline later, and Fireflies will pull them out instantly. It's basically a memory for your study sessions. Tool 7. Poe AI. Next is Poe AI, the ultimate multi-AI hub. It lets you access ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Mistral, all in one place, so you can compare answers and get different perspectives. Perfect for research, brainstorming, or debating complex topics. Use Poe when you want smarter, faster, and cross-checked answers. Tool 8. Audio Pen. Got thoughts but hate typing? Audio Pen converts your voice notes into clear, well-written text. It's perfect for revising while walking or recording class reflections. You just talk, and it turns your ramble into a clean study note. Bonus: it even detects key themes, saving hours of manual organization. Tool 9. Scholarcy. For research-heavy courses, Scholarcy is your best friend. Upload a 20-page academic paper, and in seconds, it highlights key points, extracts figures, and creates a mini summary. It even links back to the original document, so you can verify everything. This one's a must for college students and researchers. Tool 10. Goblin Tools. Finally, a hidden gem, Goblin Tools. This quirky little app helps you break down overwhelming tasks into simple steps using AI. Can't start your essay? Tell Goblin Tools, Help me plan my essay on climate change. It instantly creates a step-by-step roadmap. It's not just productivity, it's AI for your mental clarity. So here's your new AI study stack for 2025. Notion AI, Notes and Organization. Perplexity, Research Genius, Quizlet, Smart Flashcards, ChatGPT, AI Tutor Grammarly, Writing Assistant Fireflies, Lecture Recorder Poe, Multi-AI Hub Audio Pen, Voice Notes, Scholarcy, Research Summarizer, Goblin Tools, Task Planner. Use just 3 of these consistently, and your study speed will skyrocket. Because the truth is, AI doesn't replace effort, it multiplies it. AI is changing how the world learns, and the students who adapt now will dominate the future. So start using these tools today, share this video with a friend who studies, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Because here at Future AI, we bring you the smartest tools before anyone else.